Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see part of consignment abnormal loss problem. Previous class also we have seen one problem related to abnormal loss. In that problem insurance claim was there. When insurance claim was there, how to treat the problem, that we have seen. Now today's problem we'll see no insurance claim. Simply abnormal loss is given, so that how we have to handle it we'll see. By the way, there are many subjects already prepared. Check it out in the description box or playlist, whatever may be your course. You are doing CMA, CA, CS, BCom, MBA or any other course, it doesn't matter, but syllabus is same. According to your syllabus, you can use this subject and try to use computer to watch these videos because you will get much clarity. Now anyway, check out the problem on the desktop, it is given. So in this problem here, Raja Oil Mills, Kamareddy consigned 500 kgs of ghee to Vijay dealers of Ellareddy. Cost of each 800. 500 at the rate of 800 he is sending. Who is sending? Raja Oil. Raja Oil Mills is consigner. Vijay dealers are consigning. And Raja Oil Mills paid 5,000 rupees for various expenses. Consigner expenses 5,000. During the transit, 50 kgs ghee were accidentally destroyed. Destroyed means it is accidentally destroyed is not normal, abnormal loss. So there is an abnormal loss we have to calculate. Now Vijay received remaining stock of ghee and reported that entire ghee is sold for 5 lakh rupees. This is sales from Vijay. And his expenses 12,000. He is entitled to 5% commission on sales. Prepare necessary accounts in the books of Raja Oil Mills, assuming that Vijay remitted the amount due by him. Simple problem. If you can work out, start working at least consignment and consignee's account. Abnormal loss account only makes the difference, that I will tell you at the end of the problem. Pause the video, start working out, same like last problem. Otherwise see the board. Now Raja Oil Mills, Kamareddy consigned 500 kgs of ghee, cost each 800. So we'll say 2 goods sent on consignment. 500 at the rate of 800. 5 8s are 40. And how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. It means total goods sent on consignment 4 lakh. Raja Oil Mills paid 5,000 rupees for various expenses to cash. Consigner expenses 5,000 and destroyed, that will see calculation of abnormal loss. I think we can do now only. So calculation of abnormal loss. What is the formula for abnormal loss? Goods sent on consignment plus consigner expenses. Raja Oil Mills expenses into destroyed goods by total goods. So goods sent on consignment is 4 lakh plus Raja expenses are 5,000 into destroyed goods are, how many goods are destroyed? 50 kgs were destroyed. Out of total goods are 500. So this is 10. It means 4,05,000 divided by 10. 40,500 is the abnormal loss. You know the calculations, okay? Abnormal loss, remember always formula goods sent on consignment plus consigner expenses, no consignee, because loss is going to bear by only the consigner. So no consignee expenses, goods sent on consignment plus consigner expenses into destroyed goods by total goods. Consigner goods sent on consignment 4 lakh, consigner expenses 5,000, destroyed goods 50 out of 500. So you got 40,500 abnormal loss. We can write abnormal loss on the credit side by abnormal loss. 40,500. This space is for sales. Next paragraph, Vijay remained stock of goods reported and he sold goods for 5 lakh by Vijay. You can write it in the bracket, sale proceeds. He sold goods for 5 lakh rupees. And his expenses are 12,000. Vijay expenses 12,000. To Vijay, in brackets you can say expenses 12,000. Then after that he is entitled to commission of 5%. To Vijay, in brackets, commission. 5% on this, 10% is 50,000. 5% means 25,000. That's all. What we'll do first, we'll close this consignment account. So 5 lakh plus 40,000 means 5 lakh 40,500. Minus 4 lakh 5,000 minus 12 plus 25, 37,000. It comes 98,500. 98,500 will be transferring to P&L account. 5,40,500. So this is over. Next, after that, consignees account. Consignees account is here. By any other things are given related to the problem. Where is the problem page? Yeah, got it. Anything is given. That's all, nothing, simple problem only. Okay. So first we are opening the Vijay's account. So debit to credit, credit to debit. So debit to credit by consignment account. Vijay expenses 12,000. Again by consignment account, commission 25,000. And here credit to debit to consignment account 5 lakh. Five lakh will be saying to buy cash. So this is balancing figure. 5 lakh minus 37,000. It comes to 4,63,000. Vijay's account is over. Now coming to abnormal loss account. Abnormal loss account we are finding on the credit side. Credit side to debit side will get it to consignment account. Total abnormal loss of 40,500. In the previous problem, insurance claim was there. That claim we have written on the credit side. In this problem, no claim. There is no insurance. So entire 40,500 is loss. Loss will be transferring to the P&L account. So we'll close the account. So this is transferring to P&L account by P&L account 40,500. That's all. This is the problem. Let me explain you entire problem clearly. You know that consignment account is very clear. Goods and turn consignment, consigned expenses, consignee commission, consignee sales. Everything is clear. Abnormal loss only you have to calculate. For calculation, goods and turn consignment plus consigned expenses into destroyed goods by total goods. So if you apply it, you got it 40,500. That is to be always written on the credit side. So by abnormal loss, we got profit. So that is profit and loss account. Next, consignee account is, you know very well, debit to credit, credit to debit. So that you got, this is the amount, 4,63,000 amount. This is to be returned to the consignor. Consignor is here, Raja Oil Mills. Okay. Now abnormal loss is here. We know that abnormal loss is 40,500. Debit to credit we have written. There is no insurance, so entire loss we are transferring to the profit and loss account. If you observe profit and loss account in final accounts, any loss we write it on the debit side. Expenses loss, profit and loss account, final accounts. So there we are transferring from here to there because it's a loss, right? So some more problems will work out. Please check it out, the description box or the playlist, and practice. Practice is very much important. Any problem you take, either illustration or exercises, but practice and see, so that you will get much confidence. Please do share these videos with your friends, colleagues, juniors or seniors, anyone. So let them to utilize it, let them to feel studies are easy. So this is our motto. Stay connected, practice well, good luck.